see it coming in. Looks up. What's so cool? Look.
One in the water. I'll swap.
Look what's so cool. It's with us.
Crocodiles.
No, it went like this. Remember, I was far from the water.
Come on over here.
I'm not going.
There used to be a snake right here.
Right where?
Right here. Over here, I was trying to get a campus yesterday to deal with the net, but it was too deep to catch one. You know, and they only live in shallow.
Oh,
Real
dude.
shallow. What?
Raymond. Hit one over there. I heard something like. There's something over there.
Come on over here. Come on over here, guys. Brandon, he hasn't been here. He's behind you guys.
Yeah, you want me to show them my face? Look, Jacob, here. I can just switch it, look. Click that.
So over there is the fishes. Ooh, this is gonna be a masterpiece. Okay. I believe there was some campfish around yesterday.
I'm just gonna sit down and watch these two. Dang it. Where's the camera? I might just go like this, look. Okay.